It's a fierce uphill battle of vehicles. Introducing the types of vehicles in today's race. The first vehicle, an ambulance. The second vehicle, a tractor. The third vehicle, a big truck. The fourth vehicle, a yellow sports car. The fifth one is a blue sedan. The sixth one is a white sports car. The white sports car starts climbing the slope first. The sedan starts climbing the slope. It successfully made it up. The yellow sports car launches incredibly fast. It also made it up smoothly. The massive blue truck lumbers forward, roaring as it goes. The tractor begins to climb the slope.